Hey there, Binance users! Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to transfer XRP to your Binance account. So, let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Binance.com and sign up. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click on Wallet. From the drop-down menu, select Spot Wallet. Now that you're in your Spot Wallet, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Scroll down or use the search bar to find XRP. Click on Deposit next to XRP. This is crucial. Notice the 9-digit XRP deposit tag. Binance requires this for XRP transfers. So don't forget it. Copy both your Binance XRP deposit address and the deposit tag. Next, head to the platform where your XRP is currently stored. This could be another exchange or a secure wallet. Choose the Send or Withdraw option for XRP. Paste your Binance XRP deposit address in the address field. Then, paste the 9-digit deposit tag in the appropriate field. Double-check everything. Make sure the address and tag are correct to avoid any issues. Confirm and complete your transfer. Now give it a few minutes. Transfers usually take a bit of time to process. You can monitor the status in your Binance Spot wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred XRP to your Binance account. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.